Aisha, where's your little girl?
Oh, she's at my parents-in-law's house. At my parents-in-law's house.
Acha?
Ji.
You should have brought her with you. I haven't seen her for a long time.
Inshallah.
Huh?
Ji.
Please.
Hazur, could you please give some advice on how to maintain and strengthen our spiritual self whilst enduring the trials and ups and downs of this life?
See, these ups and downs of the spiritual level is a natural thing. And it's impossible for you to maintain the same status and standard throughout your life. There is an example of some Sahaba who felt this change. And one of them appeared to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, before Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and said, Ya Rasulullah, please pray for me, I am a munafiq. So Rasulullah said, what do you mean by you are a munafiq? You are not a munafiq. He said, you know, when I am with you or close to you, I feel so elated spiritually. And when I return and go away, I feel suddenly going down, climbing down in my spiritual level. So Rasulullah said, smiled and said, this is not munafiq. This happens. It is a relief from God. Everybody cannot maintain the same standard. Moreover, when you are with me, your position is quite different. But even about other people, they cannot maintain the same standard, or that will become a routine process. Ups and downs are a beauty in themselves. So pray to Allah that with every up and down, you rise higher and higher and higher. You know, some birds fly and come down and fly and come down, but every time they grow higher and higher and higher. So this is this life as well. You should continue to pray to Allah that after every fall, let me rise even higher than before. And inshallah, Allah will listen to that prayer.